Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I made for my family shrimp and cheesy grits. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. I must say thank you to all of my subscribers right here. To you who are always coming back, you are my MVP. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you. Oh my viewers, you're watching, you're out there. Please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and continue watching. Family and friends, I'm still doing it. I am still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment. Share it out. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.